mga ka-MK! Happy Saturday afternoon to all of us. It's another blessed day. So, yes, naata sa CR kay Saba kayo sa gawas. Okay? And dili sila magpa-disturbo ka ng watch sila of TV. So, dili lang ta for privacy. But no worries, walay scandal, may tabo ron, so we're safe. Okay? Alright, so nganong naka-shirt naman ko, but before shower look, it's because I'm going to show you a product today that I need to use before shower, okay? So basically, for today, we've already used Timewise Repair volufirm foaming cleanser early this morning. And the new product that I will be introducing to you is one of the products that I use for my anti-acne facial. Okay, so this is the clarifying cleanser for acne-prone skin. So for those who know me and for those who don't know me yet, um, personally, since high school, even college, even in the early years after college. So, acne prone skin actually is because of my oily skin. Although right now, oily skin gyapon ko pero wala na kay ko'y acne. However, the scars that they leave on my face na gyapon. So, I'm always reminded as to what type of skin I have. So yeah, this is how our cleanser looks like. And to give you more information about the cleanser, of course, that is the first step for our anti-acne facial to cleanse. So the moisture-rich foam thoroughly cleanses and renews skin texture. Okay? And of course, kay anti-acne facial man siya, medyo careful ta sa pag-use of product. Of course, this clear, lightweight cleanser quickly converts to a soft foam and prepares the skin. Salicylic acid, in combination with botanicals, fights blemishes and helps prevent future breakouts by cleansing the skin without over drying. So again, for acne-prone skin, most of it, ang ilang skin type is oily jud. So of course, we need to dry our skin, but most products, iyang i-overdry ang skin. So we thought na overdrying the skin, mo na siya makapahelp sa atong skin, hindi na ta mag breakouts, hindi na ta mag acne, but no. We still need moisture in our skin bisa pag oily skin ta. Okay, so how to apply it? Of course, apply to wet face and neck, rinse with water. Now, because excessive drying of the skin may occur using this product, start with one application daily, then gradually increase to 2 or 3 times daily if needed. And or as directed by a doctor. If dryness or peeling occurs, reduce application to once a day or every other day. Apply product sparingly to 1 or 2 small affected areas during the first 3 days. If no discomfort occurs, then follow the directions stated earlier on. So, ganun, I'm just gonna try one application just for me to share to you this product. But if needed to ninyo and then wala mo discomfort or over dryness or redness mo feel, then you can use this product 2 or 3 times daily. It's very safe. It won't over dry your skin. Okay, so we're gonna try it now. Here you go. We'll try saying ano lang ang amount. If okay na. Okay. Actually, it smells like salicylic acid, Jude, pero kuan ra, very light. Reminds me of the product that I used since high school, no? Kaya akong parent, ano po sila, kanang, what do you call it, supportive in town po sa akong skin. Kaya as in, grabe. Minsan asa lang dyan na siya manobo. Mo gani nga nagka-keloid na din akong ilong. Wala ko o green deer. Okay, so, yeah. So I'm just going to observe for the next 2 to 3 days kung naa ba siya negative um, side effects sa akong skin. If none, then good. Okay, para mas daghan ang maka-appreciate uh, right after I use this cleanser, and for you also to see for yourself kung effective ba sa inyo ha, then let me know so that I can also um, have it try it for you. Okay, so far, laid siya sa ubang cleanser. Kaya nga mo, dry jud siya sa akong skin. Dili para sa uban nga, kana although foamy siya. Diba? So, although foamy siya, ang ubang foaming cleanser nga akong na-try, di ba siya yung ano yung mo dry. But this one mo dry jud siya. So, um, next, I'm going to show you the other products to complete the anti-acne facial regimen set. So for today, ang cleanser lang sa. Okay, so I'm so excited for that. Alright, so I'm now going to rinse this off para ready na sad ko to go to work in a bit. So thank you all so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to like my videos, leave a comment, share the videos, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, actually karon medyo troubled ko, but I have faith in God nga iya ko i-deliver ani nga problem. The reason I mo share is because I have hope that the company will be able to figure out what happened. To give you a clue, it's about money. And siguro di siya yung anak kadako kung para sa uban, pero parang dako na na like as in. So hopefully next video di na ko kinahanglan mo share further regarding this. Ang ako na lang i-share is ang positive result or positive feedback that I got from the company. Kaya if not, then that's the time that I'm going to share it to you guys. Kaya para po ma-aware ang mga people to be careful as to who to trust their money with. Nga na, no, kaya di po dalim, it's hard-earned money. No? Bisan pa to order ko ang uban, just thinking nga, naglingkod lang ta din ha, and we're being paid, but, well, for those of you who are working, you know very well nga walay hayahay nga trabaho, walay dili stressful nga trabaho. But then again, that's the reason why we look for ways not to look too stressed. Kaya para po mahappy ta, di ba? We're working hard, but then again, we also need to work hard kay para dili ta magmukhang hard. Okay, so yeah, and once again, don't forget, of course, to start your day with praising God and end the day by worshiping God. I'm not sharing this to you because ako ing anak ko. I'm sharing this to you for also me to be, reminded to do that every day. Kung dili lang every day, kung pwede gani every hour, we need to do that. Because every second, we are being tempted, as in nakaka-temptation sa kalibutan. Even our thoughts tempt us. So our words tempt us, our actions tempt us. So how much more ang thoughts sa ubang tao, ang words sa ubang tao, ang actions sa ubang tao. But then only God can heal our wounds. Bye-bye, and thank you all for watching.